Hey there, today, we are going to test the limits of the content aware in Photoshop. Let's get started. First of all, select the crop tool and enlarge the image wherever you want. Make sure that content aware is selected and hit the check mark. Wait a few seconds and let Photoshop do its thing. As you can see, the AI in Adobe has taken a part of the image and duplicated it in the wanted area. Now let's do somewhere else. It worked perfectly. You can repeat the process as much as you want. Yep, we can see that Photoshop messed up a little bit. Now, let's erase a part of the image with the Object Selection tool and see what happens. Select the object and hit delete on your keyboard. Wait for a few seconds and there you go. The selected object is now gone. Let go further with a real image. Repeat the process from before. Wait a little bit and there you go again. You can do this as much as you want. Let's go a little crazy with it. Let's enlarge the image much more and see what happens. Oops. Yeah, Photoshop does have its limit. Thanks for watching this experiment video and see you in the next one. Meanwhile, keep creating.